What up, YouTube? Bored. Guess where we are? We are in Mr. Hill's class. And look who's come to visit.
Look, it's Mark.
Wait, what is that just an envelope?
Once you're all
nice
and quiet, I think we're going to read again because we need the computers to start our math project. Once you're all ready and reading, I'll call you up one by one and you can come get your report card.
Thank you.
Oh, great. Report card.
No, this is my name. I'll cover this part, though.
Hey, buddy, we're not quiet. I don't give a...
You see it? Yep.
Great. Well, anyway, guess what? I'm bored.
Me too.
Oh,
But this
and
is
for
fun.
people, do not go watch The Uninvited. It was gay.
I didn't watch it.
Dork didn't want to come with us.
I would have.
You know, we're stuck in here till school ends, which is like 2 hours.
And it's freezing.
Oh yes, I was shivering this morning. So sad.
Okay. Yep.
Hey, did you know that Neil, he said that girls are hard to read. They're not really. Guys are hard to read.
Guys are confusing.
And hard to read. Nobody noticed.
Hey, alright guys, you know what? Split up into your two people's seats.
We did that already. Yeah, because we're smart and we're good girls.
No, we're not. We're the ones.
Okay,
Okay. We gotta go read now.